I've started.
Here we have our paper aeroplane launching device, which we're using to launch paper aeroplanes. And let's just see how it goes. And it seems to like moving. So get this cup now.
You're using a screwdriver.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't work. It rolls away. Right, okay, spoon. Spoon does. Spoon as well. Right, here we go. Here we go. Okay.
That was quick.
That was pretty well, but it needs more stopping power. And so we also decided that it needs more grabbing length, so I made that, which has a lot more kind of grabbing length along the back. Let's see how this works. Actually, we already know how it works. This, because we cut a bit away at the back here, it needs to be steadied.
That was pretty cool.
And that worked quite well. Worked better than the other one. And then we decided that big wings and a big grabbing area would be a good idea. And so you try this one. This is meant to be a glider, so I don't know how this will work.
So it probably goes a bit fast, right?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Cartwheel?
Cartwheel.
Oh. And then we made that,
Let's have a look.
which is
Ooze.
essentially my dad's is behind the camera right there, which is a modified version of the other one we made. But it doesn't have its tail cut off, as you can see. No tail. Well, I mean, it does have a tail. But it should work better because it has an even bigger grab area.
That works pretty well.
Yeah. And now, I have a mad idea.
What have you done to those paper airplanes, man? That's never going to work.
Of course it is. I do this in my spare time. Paper aeroplanes. Paper aeroplanes, putting them together. In fact, I think the biggest double-decker one I've had is a quadruple-decker of darts.
Do that again, that's wicked. You've broken the nose.
Doesn't matter. Oh, it does matter. Don't break. Don't break.
You want to see that again? Schluss.